The stock market is crashing, banks are bleeding, and retirees in states like Florida, Texas, and Arizona, they're quietly doing something that Wall Street doesn't want you to know about. Take Linda from Sarasota, Florida. She's 67, a retired school principal, and just rolled over exactly $350 from her 401k into a gold IRA. Why? Because she watched what happened in 2008, and she's seeing the same red flags today. And honestly, she's not alone. Just this past week, Bloomberg reported a massive drop in retail investor confidence. The S&P 500 dipped sharply as the Fed hinted at prolonged higher rates, and whispers of stagflation are growing louder. Inflation may be slowing on paper, but at the grocery store, it's a different story. You feel it. We all do. So what are smart retirees doing right now? They're not panicking. They're protecting. They're shifting part of their nest eggs into physical gold through a gold IRA, just like Linda. And her story started by doing something completely free. We'll come back to that. But here's the thing. Retirement isn't supposed to feel like a gamble. Yet millions of Americans are stuck watching their savings ride a roller coaster they didn't sign up for. Stocks are volatile. Bonds are barely keeping up with inflation. And now, with President Trump expected to shake up economic policy again in the 2024 race, many are bracing for even more uncertainty. Now let me ask you something. Why would you risk decades of hard work? Gold has outlasted every currency in history. It doesn't go bankrupt. It doesn't get diluted by a stimulus package. And unlike your 401k, gold doesn't lose 20% overnight because of a bad earnings call. That's why retirees with over 100k in a retirement account are taking action before things get worse. People like Mark in Scottsdale, Arizona. He's 70, a former engineer, and he moved 1.1 million from his traditional IRA into a gold IRA. Not because he's betting on gold going to the moon, but because he's tired of betting at all. He told me, "I don't need wild gains. I just want peace of mind." And that starts with one simple, no-pressure move. Getting the free Gold IRA Guide. It's a comprehensive, no-obligation resource that explains everything. No sales gimmicks, no free silver if you buy now. Just real, one-on-one education with a US-based expert who understands your goals, your worries, and your legacy. This is the exact same guide Linda got before she ever spoke to anyone. And today, her biggest regret is that she didn't do it sooner. So if you're a retiree with over 100k saved in a 401k or IRA, and you've worked hard to build a life worth protecting, don't wait. Click the link, get the guide, and take the call. There's no risk, just information. Because the crash is happening. That part's out of your control. What is in your control is what you do next. And the smartest retirees in America, they're already doing it. They're not waiting for the market to figure it out. They're not listening to Wall Street talking heads who say, just ride it out. They're getting educated, they're diversifying, and they're sleeping better at night. You can too. Get your free Gold IRA Guide now, because peace of mind isn't a luxury, it's what you've earned.